Hello, Dad. Hello, Mom. What scent of hand sanitizer will I be using today? Spin that wheel. Be gnarly? Ooh, lemon lime. Wow, that was excessive. I was trying to get a cool shot. And of course, the minute I start filming, my phone rings. Hey everybody, it's Bunny. And yesterday I did something very, very, very stupid. Do you want to hear all about it? You gotta come closer. It's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing. Okay, that's close enough. Did you watch my last Banana Peppers video where I said, oh boy, I'm working out every day now. I'm getting so fit. I feel so great. Well, I overdid it in exactly 5 days. I'm in such terrible pain in my knee that I'm gonna have to sit on a pile of pillows for today's video. Don't overdo it, boys and ghouls. I feel like I look how I feel. I was doing biking and like vertical climbing and then walking on a treadmill. And somehow I goofed it. This tripod is dead. I do still have like a slight feeling towards inanimate objects. I feel like I'm being mean to them. Anyway, you almost fell over. Saved ya. Last minute. I wanted to film this video. I was waiting until the afternoon. The sun would be perfect and glorious, beautiful, warm lighting for this room. And it's just been raining all day. Do you ever have those days? Like a million little annoying things go wrong and you just want to give up for the day, sit down, binge watch something on Netflix, but you also feel like you have to get a certain amount of stuff done a day to be a productive member of society, but you just want to quit? Because today, it's one of those days for me. Behind you is a giant box from Dolls Kill, and that is the purpose of today's video. It's behind me. It's not behind you. If I had put something behind you, that would have been really, really creepy. Bring forth the birthing knife. Slicing, slicing, box, cutting it open so I can get the treasures inside. I'm not ready for all the comments. It's gonna be like,
she's acting really weird in this video.
You would be too if you had throbbing pain surging from your knee to your hip. But I'm here today because I miss you guys. It's been about 4 days, I think, since my last upload. And I also film videos just to calm me down. This is my happy place. This is what I enjoy doing. So even though technically I probably shouldn't be filming while I'm in raging hysterical pain, it's also like calming me down. I mean, it's not, it can't be too terrible because Advil does help it. And so I just took a dose of Advil and I'm hanging out with you guys until it kicks in. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys, right now I am doing a giveaway with Dolls Kill on Instagram. It's for a $500 gift card, and I believe they're picking the winner on Friday. None of this is sponsored. That's just something that we're doing for fun. I bought all the things in this box with my own money. Let's get sassy. Right on top, that looks like nothing. One of the costumes that I'm gonna be wearing this year to one of the Mickey's Not So Scary parties, which is like the Halloween dress-up parties at Disney World, I'm going to do a unicorn. I have a top that I ordered from Amazon for the costume, but then I saw this on Dolls Kill, and I thought it would be so cute. Sequin tank top. These aren't sequins. They're like little gemstones, but I thought that this would be so cute. Fully adjustable. You can just retie this wherever you need, and then this ties in the back. I mean, they style it just wearing this by itself on the website, whatever you want to do. They sell a lot of like festival items, so I can see where, like, if you were going to like Burning Man or something like that, this would totally make sense to just wear by itself, but probably not to Disney World. Up next, you guys know how obsessed with this print I am. I'm still not over it. I'm not sure if this is like the fidget spinners of fashion. Is it a trend that's dying out? Are people still really into it? I never really care about trends. I just like what I like, so I'm gonna keep wearing black and white checker until the sight of it makes me vom. This is a really cute, what is the style of this dress? I used to study like fashion terms, and then I just forgot everything in my life. I feel like you just forget things. You forget all the knowledge you learned that you don't use on a general day-to-day basis, or is that just me? It has a zipper up the back. I think it's called like skater style. The only thing I might do to slightly alter this dress is to shorten the sleeves a little bit. Right now, it's like a 3/4 length sleeve, and I normally like short sleeves. Up next, I think that this could kind of be like a regular outfit or more of a costumey piece, depending on how you want to live your life. I think it literally was called something like the Racer something. Kind of a NASCAR type thing, I think. Shorts on the bottom, long sleeves on the top, a bunch of crazy patterns. I don't want to spoil it. I'm trying to do something really big and fun for Vlogoween this year, which involves a ton of costumes. And I kind of don't want to tell you guys what it is yet, so stay tuned. Next, we've got one of the things I'm most excited about in this box. I just thought that this was absolutely adorable when I saw it online. It's an overall style skirt. It's got like the little overall jumper part at the top, and then the bottom once again kind of has that like, I think it's called skater style fit, where it's got like a little bit of a pleated flared skirt. I also love the clasps at the top. O-ring jumper in the back. I just loved the mixture of the leopard, the hardware. I'm back with a warning. I thought the whole frontish unzipped, but like this whole portion where the skirt is gathered is so tight and there's no give, and so it won't go over my hips and it won't go over my shoulders. Hopefully I can exchange it for a medium, or I would even maybe say like 2 sizes up on this one. Like this is just really cut small. I actually got this same style skirt twice, like a school skirt. This was like share print fabric. I love the little like O-ring addition on the front, zipper in the back, really comfy and easy to wear. I rebought this skirt. I don't think I ever got the chance to photograph it or show it to you guys, but I think I took it last time Dogman and I stayed in Austin, and I think I must have left it in the hotel or something because it didn't come back. It's the exact same style and cut of skirt, except for it's my black and white checker print. Up next is something that I got on like super mega sale. I didn't even know that it was this fuzzy fabric. It's like a blue, I always call this like eyelash material. Am I thinking of the time that SpongeBob knitted Squidward a sweater made from his own eyelashes?
It's a little itchy. What's this thing made of?
I thought that this was gonna be like a really small beanie, but it actually, like, you can like slouch it, scrunch it, just pull it over your face if you're done for the day. I don't know what this is. Jumpsuit. I'm surprised I ordered a jumpsuit. What was I thinking? Oh no, okay. I thought that this looked like the Heathers and I thought it was really cute. Never mind. That's what I was thinking. Black suspender suit. It's made out of this ribbed fabric. Oh, it has like a slight flare to the leg, I think. Isn't this the thing that everybody was talking about for a long time? Suva? I got the shade Acid Trip, which is bright orange, and I think that this is the stuff that you just add a little bit of water and it can turn it into like a gel product that you can like use as an eyeliner, stuff like that. I'm so excited. We've got something tie-dyed looking. I think that this is a bodysuit that I got for layering. I feel like it's 2011 all over again. I'm buying crushed velvet tie-dye pieces. Something else, black in a bag. This is a mesh shirt for layering, and I thought that this would be so cool for the fall. I love to layer with these mesh shirts. I feel like it just gives it like a 90s grunge kind of vibe. This one has gothic lettering all over it. It's like flocked velvet goth lettering, and it says love, hate all over it. This is a Polaroid windbreaker jacket, but I think jackets like this also give you like a certain level of protection against the rain. I thought that this had a really cool vintage kind of vibe. It looks like something that you would get in the 80s if you collected enough UPCs and mailed them in the mail. Were you guys alive in a time like that? I don't think they do that anymore. Well, they probably have similar programs, but it's probably all digital now. It's like scan the UPCs with your iPhone. Back in the day, especially they would like try and entice kids by like promising like stuffed animals, jackets, or sometimes they would do like cups or bowls or things that kids in the 80s really liked. Cups and bowls, I guess. You would collect a certain amount of UPCs from like cans of tuna fish or whatever, and you would mail it in and they would like mail you back the prize. Some really cool sunglasses, because you guys know I wear sunglasses all the time now. I'm always looking for little like kind of cheapy sunglasses that I can toss around in my bag and wear, and if they get messed up, it's not going to be that big of a deal, because I think these were like $5. I really love the look of these. I feel like they once again do have that kind of like 90s vibe, which you guys know I'm always down for. I kind of hate to open these. I don't know. These came from Killstar. They're called Libra tights. I'll probably just insert a picture in here because I'm not going to try on tights. I have these, which are scrunch over the knee socks. I thought that these would be great for various Halloween costumes. And I'm not going to lie, I feel like I've had these before and I just wear them as like tall boot socks. They're pretty soft. The rest of this box is
Shoes.
I've got a pair of Doc Martens. Oh my gosh. This is like a pleasant surprise. I'm not gonna lie, I thought that they were patent leather on the website. I thought it was gonna be like super shiny. I really love this. I feel like I don't have many Doc Martens in my collection that are this sort of ankle boot style. I feel like I always get the ones that are like slightly higher. I've got 2 pairs of
Shoes.
from Current Mood. Quite apparently I bought lots of orange
Shoes.
These are the orange glitter ones. Oh my gosh. These are even more beautiful in real life. Okay, now I want to go get the purple ones. They have this exact same style, this exact same glitterness, but it is like a Joker purple glitter instead of orange. And I was torn. I was like, do you want to get both? Do you just want to get purple? Do you want to get orange? I feel like orange just wins right now. Last pair of
Shoes.
Oh my gosh, I have wanted these forever. Fuzzy, green, leopard, ankle boots. Oh my gosh, and the bottoms are pink. It's just like a slight fuzz. I really like that. I feel like it just kind of has like a little bit of a punk look to it. I don't know. That is it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for being here and for hanging out. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye!